In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or turn off news on your TradingView chart. This is particularly useful if you want to declutter your chart or if you're looking to focus solely on price movements without upcoming events cluttering your view. So let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. First, start by heading over to your TradingView account. Once you've logged in and you're staring at your chart, whether it's a stock, forex, or any other financial instrument you're interested in, the first thing you need to do is locate the settings gear icon. You can usually find this icon somewhere near the top right corner of your chart area. Clicking this icon will open up a menu with several options that allow you to personalize your viewing experience. Next, we're going to click on Events. This section governs the various external data points you might want to see on your chart, including news events. By default, TradingView tends to have multiple event types enabled as they can offer valuable context for market movements. However, if you'd rather focus strictly on price action without any additional information, you'll want to proceed to the next step. Now you will see several checked boxes representing different events. These could range from economic calendar updates to specific news related to the asset you're viewing. Turning these off is straightforward. Simply uncheck all the boxes that are currently checked. This action will ensure that no events are displayed on your chart, allowing for a cleaner, more streamlined view. Once you've unchecked all the necessary boxes, the final step is to click the OK button. This will apply the changes and return you to your chart. You should notice right away that no upcoming events are showing anymore, leaving you with a clean, clutter-free chart. And that's it. Your TradingView chart is now set to show exactly the information you want without the distraction of additional events or news. I hope this walkthrough has been clear and helpful. Adjusting these settings allows you to tailor your charting experience to your specific needs. Whether you're a technical analyst, a trader, or someone who simply prefers a minimalist approach. Remember, you can always revisit the settings and adjust them to re-enable events if you find them useful at a later time. Thanks for tuning in and happy